Well, a police officer fired from his position with the Valley Police Department. Channel 5 obtaining records to find out why. As Valerie Gonzalez explains, the officer had a history that repeated itself when he was given a second chance.
A woman was arrested and taken to Hidalgo County Jail back in September. She got in the back of an Alton police car unit and noticed that at some point the recording light turned off. That's when she alleges the officer driving her made an inappropriate proposal. It was a standard DWI arrest. A 28-year-old woman was arrested by Alton police. That's where she met then Officer Heriberto Sanchez. According to her sworn statement, Sanchez helped her get a low bond, a favor he reminded her of as he drove her to jail. After several calls upon her release, one where he said he could possibly get her case dismissed, they agreed to meet for dinner. She says he kissed her in the parking lot and asked her out again, insinuating a sexual relationship. She never responded again and reported him to police. These allegations surfaced September 20th, 2019. It is inappropriate and against the rules for an officer to have a romantic relationship with someone in his custody. That same day, September 20th, Alton police placed Officer Sanchez on administrative leave and opened an investigation. This would be the second time Sanchez faced similar accusations. Sexual harassment claims were raised when he worked for the Hidalgo County Sheriff's Office in 2016. According to internal affairs records, then investigator Sanchez grabbed the hand of a co-worker and placed it over himself in a sensitive area. In an interview with investigators on July 27, 2016, Sanchez told them he believed he and the co-worker had a long-standing consensual relationship. Later that day, he resigned, writing a letter on a piece of notebook paper. Alton Police Chief Jonathan Flores hired Sanchez after they worked together in Hidalgo County, but Flores said they were only acquaintances and worked different shifts. In an interview in 2018, after Flores hired him, he said of Sanchez's discharge from the county, quote, "This is an unfortunate incident. I would venture to say it's an isolated incident. It's something that was outside of his normal character," end quote. We reached out to Chief Flores again this week, who felt the 5-month span at the termination did not merit a new interview. He sent us a statement confirming the termination records. It also reads, "The Texas Rangers were contacted to review a possible criminal component to the allegations. However, the complainant was uncooperative with their agency. And this incident should serve as a reminder to all law enforcement personnel that while we are privileged to uphold the law, we are not above it." We asked Chief Flores if this case will affect their hiring process. He said they will continue hiring on a case-by-case basis. Well, we did reach out to Heriberto Sanchez, who was soon recommended termination after that investigation in 2019. He told us that he's calling those allegations false and he is working with an attorney. The attorney for the woman claims that their client's trust in law enforcement was affected by these alleged actions. In a statement, the attorney said, "We are currently investigating the merits of her complaint. If an investigation into this matter confirms a sexual assault or sexual harassment claims, we will file suit to protect the interests of their client." In the studio, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 6.